Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about an important topic for all new students arriving at their Chinese university. What to do after arriving at university in China. In this video, I will cover all the important tasks you need to complete as mentioned on the screen from registering at the university to starting your classes. I will guide you step by step through the process. So stay tuned and make sure to watch till the end for all the tips and tricks. And please note that this video is only for educational purpose. So without further delay, let's start the video. Once you arrived at your university, the first thing you need to do is go to your university international office and complete your registration. For this, bring all your educational documents and the document the university sent to you such as JW form and admission letter along with your police certificate and passport. The next step after your registration, I would suggest must visit your professor's lab and meet with your professor and lab mate. Inform your professor that you have arrived in China and let him know that you will join the lab after completing all the necessary tasks. Many students skip this step, but it's very important. Your professor is the one who invited you to this country, so be respectful. It's only take 30 minutes. Next, you need to buy a local SIM cards. There are two major companies to consider. One is China Mobile and other is China Unicom. Their package vary in price and offers. For example, China Unicom has a package for 30 RMB per month, which provide less internet GB but more minutes. In contrast, China Mobile offer 15 GB for 18 RMB per month along with very few minutes. Now it's up to you like which company you select. Mostly these shops are available inside the university and the international office can help you to buy these. You will need your passport and student ID card or just admission letter. The initial cost for China Mobile will be 150 RMB for 1 year, but China Unicom I'm not sure because I'm not using it. Next, you need to open a bank account. Most university help student with opening a bank account. If you arrived at the university during registration time, the university will make an appointment with the bank and send student in the shifts, some in the morning and other in the evening. The international office typically prepare all the necessary documents. If you need to go alone, bring your passport, admission letter and proof of residence. There is no fee to open a bank account, but you will need to make a minimum opening deposit up to 50 RMB. There are two recommended banks, CCB and ICBC. These, like your school will guide you in which bank you need to open your account. Your next task is a medical examination or medical checkup, which is required for your stay in China. The international office of your school will provide guidance on the hospital name, location, and documents. But typically, you need to bring your passport, admission letter, two picture, and a medical report if you have already done this medical checkup in your country. The fee is like depending on the city, but normally it's around 400 RMB to 700 RMB. After you done your physical examinations, you can receive your medical reports within 3 days, and they will offer you if you want to receive it by yourself or you want to receive it by post. Both options are available. It's up to you which one you select. The next important thing is on the medical day, please do not eat anything before the examination and arrive hospital as early as possible to avoid the long lines. If you have not completed your medical examinations in your country, so these are the tests normally conducted at hospital such as blood test, X-ray, height and weight measurements, ECG and ultrasound. And your last task is a visa extension, and your international office will guide you on the required documents and the address of immigration office for your visa extension. The normal fee for visa extension is 400 RMB per year. And the international office will arrange an orientation sessions and welcome party for new students. It's a great opportunity to meet people from different culture and learn about international life. So make sure to attend these events. And I wish you a happy stay in China. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Allah Hafiz and good luck.